Hey y'all, happy New Year's Eve. The rest of my house is still sleeping, so your girl's gonna be whispering a little bit. Probably gonna give ASMR vibes, I guess. But let's just hop into it. My makeup routine has really simplified over the years because I'm just not into it like I used to be, especially on myself. I still enjoy doing it on other people, but on myself, I think less is more, and I've just been loving a simple look. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my staple makeup products. All of these things are the only makeup that I throw on when it's time to go somewhere or do something. The only thing that may change up is concealer. I don't wear concealer generally a lot, but maybe when I film, and since today is a holiday, I'm gonna put on a little bit of concealer, but the rest of the time it is just mascara, eyebrows. So today I'm just gonna be running you guys through my routine. Okay, so the first thing that I start off with is eyebrows, of course. And over the years, I have never purchased a eyebrow gel. I use edge control on my eyebrows. I think I saw a YouTuber do it. I think it was like Aaliyah J, which I don't watch her anymore, but I think I got that tip from her. She was using edge control as her eyebrow gel, and I haven't turned back since. So I use edge control as my eyebrow gel, and it does not make me break out or anything like that. It's all about the edge control that you use, but I've used Style Factor edge control for a long time, and I've never had an issue with it because I don't really have a lot of eyebrows, so I like to make sure that they're going up in the right direction so it looks like I have a little bit more than I really have. So after I do that, I kind of like press them into place and wait for them to dry. Now, what you guys did not see is that I moisturize my face. This is the moisturizer that I've been using recently. I picked this up on Amazon Prime Day. I tend to have very dry skin, not acne prone at all. And they said that this was supposed to be really moisturizing, really hydrating. I feel like it's okay. As you can see, it's like a white consistency. It's not super thick at all. Let me put on a little bit more. It's not super thick. As you can see, it like goes on really smoothly. I don't get dry throughout the day, but sometimes I just like something that's a little bit heavier because I have really dry skin, and I find that it's okay. See, you see the hydration, you see it. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. I just be doubting her sometimes because of the price, but it is pretty good. So like I said, make sure you're moisturizing, especially where you're gonna put your concealer and stuff. So after I let my eyebrows set, because I don't like to start on them once they're still a little damp from the edge control, I go in with my eyebrow pencil, and I've been using the same eyebrow pencil since I was in high school. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Ash Brown. I like to go as light as possible. I don't do dark brown, I don't do black. It doesn't matter what color my hair is, I'm going to use Ash Brown. And my eyebrow pencils last me a very long time. I don't remember the last time that I got a new eyebrow pencil. Basically, I just do real light, like less strokes as possible, because my goal is to look like I'm not wearing makeup. I basically work with the front of my eyebrows first. Do the little line underneath real lightly. And my main thing is just creating a little tail, filling the tail in. And I like to like work on my arch a little bit. And doing your eyebrows is way easier when they're done. As you can see, I have some hair that needs to be plucked, but I literally did my eyebrows on the 13th of this month. They just grow back fast. So basically, like you see, after that, I'm basically done. Like, that's it. Underline. Go out. Okay, I think my family's up now, so I'm gonna talk a little bit louder, but I'm liking the whispering vibes. Sometimes I will conceal under my eyebrows and sometimes I won't, but let me show you guys the most I'll do. Okay, let me show you the most. So I only use two concealers. It's the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer or the LA Girl Pro Concealer. There is no in between. Those are the two concealers I've been using for a long time, and they've never done me wrong. So these are the two that I stick behind. And this one is definitely more coverage than this one right here. So since I'm in more of a lighter mood, I'm just going with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and my main job is to just make this little area skinnier. That's it, because I'm not really into having my eyebrows super thin as I used to have them. So I'm just going to use Fawn And I can actually tell you all my concealer colors in case you guys were wondering. But yeah, just a little, because I like my arch to be a little skinnier than what I draw. See, you see the difference? And one thing I'm gonna do is conceal over some eyebrow hairs. I don't mind doing that at all. And this right here is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I also have the color Toffee. This one is slightly darker for underneath my eyes. And for the e.l.f. concealer, I am in the color Tan Neutral. But I also have one that's a little bit darker than that when it is summertime. After that, I just take a little brush and tap that in. So now I like to start on my mascara because I literally layer it up. So I use this mascara right here, not the L'Oreal version but the Too Faced version. But the L'Oreal version does work fine, but when it comes to makeup, these are the very few products that I do splurge on. But like I said, a little goes a long way. So I actually purchased a 2-pack of these mascaras from QVC or HSN, a really good sale and discount. So definitely check that out. Like QVC and HSN has Too Faced at a very good price, and I really like this mascara. So I layer it up because I don't really have long eyelashes, but I feel like I have a lot of them. So now this does take a while, so excuse me if I'm not talking. And then mascara, I get on my lid. I'm gonna clean that up, but so as you can see, the look is definitely already coming together. I cleaned up the mascara a little bit, but I'm gonna put on a little bit more. Okay, so I think that's good for right now. Next, I go and I conceal. Now, don't laugh at me how I conceal. It's real lazy, real lazy. So I use the Toffee and the Fawn, and I just, as you can see, I have a little bit of bags, a little bit of dark circles, not a lot. So I go in with Fawn closer to the front, because this is the lighter shade, and then I do Toffee back here. As you can see, that's more spot on to my shade. And I just have a bit of a fluffier brush, and I blend out the darker portion first, basically tapping it in. And then I go into the, this always works with my sinuses, tapping on this area right here. And if you want it to be more full coverage, let it sit more, but my eyes are only watering because it's early in the morning. It's literally 8 a.m. As you can see, it just basically brightens up my under eye and gets rid of that little bit of darkness. Okay, real easy. So now I'm gonna show you guys my powders. Airspun, Morphe, or I have a Milani powder, but my Milani powder is a little bit darker. On a day-to-day basis, I basically use the Morphe or the Airspun. So in the Morphe, I have the banana powder, and in the Airspun, oh shoot, this is broken. In the Airspun, I just have translucent and honey. They're completely interchangeable. I can use either or. Airspun is that girl. She's iconic and she gets the job done. But I think today I'm gonna use the Morphe just to be different. The Airspun is a little bit more brightening, like it has like a almost whiter undertone compared to, like, of course, the yellow Morphe. Also with the Airspun, I'll like go underneath my brows because I do have concealer there also. And also, don't be afraid to put setting powder on your brows, because if your eyebrow product is kind of shiny, you can set your brows also, which my eyebrow product isn't shiny, but I still set my eyebrows also. Now more mascara, because why not? Like I said, I like to look no makeup. I didn't say I like to look plain. Base is done. As you can see, like it's just clean, very cute, very nice, very easy. Only used 3 brushes so far. Now I'm gonna move on to lips. I recently just got a new lip combo, so I switched to the Maybelline Lifter Liner, and this is in the color 01 Crossline. It is a very pretty brown. I was using like beauty supply store brown lip liners and they were not soft and creamy at all, but this one is very creamy. Just like look at how it applies, and it's the perfect brown for multiple skin tones. Like I'm barely touching. Like, look at that. It just glides on. I love it. This one is only like about $6, and it is a little bit hard to find because I think it was like pretty popular. And then I actually go in with a clear gloss next because I don't want too much color or whatever for my lip combo, but I'm gonna show y'all. So of course this is the Ultra Lip Rose Hip Oil lip gloss. I've had these for years. Is it probably expired? Maybe. It doesn't taste expired. Beauty supply store, literally $1. Well, they used to be. And some days I'll leave it like this, but when it comes to a butter gloss, I recently picked up Butterscotch. Now I think I've been hearing some things about NYX butter glosses. I don't know, but if the ingredients in this are bad, I just will switch to something else, or I can just stick with a clear gloss, honestly. But I recently started using this. It wasn't always a part of my routine, but as you can see, it's basically the same color of my lips. And I think whenever you're trying to do a nude lip, it's so good to find a lip gloss or a lipstick that's very close to your lip shade. If you like a natural look, like some girls will do a little bit lighter. Sometimes I will even do a little bit lighter because I also have this lip gloss, which is super old. I don't even have the tag on it anymore. It's rubbed off, but I got this from like Dollar General, and it's in the color Wink. Now I like to just accent with this because as you can see, it's a little bit lighter, but it just gives that pop because I love a lip gloss. I love a wet, super wet looking lip. So this is a makeup look. This is what I do. And if I feel like setting it, I have been using the Benefit Cosmetics. As you can see, it's super old. The Professional Super Setter. I use this on my clients, and when I set my own makeup, I use it on myself. And this is my makeup, natural, but still looks like you have on a little bit of makeup. I have a few staple products and I go with it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little makeup tutorial. Merry Christmas Eve again. I'm not gonna take my hair tie off because I'm just waiting. I still got a little bit more time before I get dressed. But I hope you all are having a very Merry Christmas, a very Merry holiday. If you have any questions about product recommendations or anything like that, let me know. But this is it. This is how I do my makeup now. You've been here for a long time. You know that the makeup has definitely evolved. I was definitely an eyeshadow girl, but I have reformed, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video.